Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple CarPlay in your Kia Sorento. First, connect your iPhone to the Sorento's USB data port using a certified Lightning cable. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and running iOS 7.1 or a newer version. Once connected, accept the CarPlay prompt that appears on both your iPhone and the Sorento's Infotainment touchscreen. This simple step initiates the connection, allowing you to access your favorite apps safely while driving. Once connected, you can easily navigate through CarPlay's intuitive interface. Access popular navigation apps such as Apple Maps or Google Maps to get turn-by-turn directions. Use Siri voice commands to make hands-free calls, send text messages, or even check your calendar. Enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks from apps like Spotify or Apple Music, all displayed clearly on your Sorento's large screen for an enhanced driving experience. Personalizing your CarPlay experience is straightforward and enhances usability. You can easily rearrange app icons directly from your iPhone settings under the CarPlay menu. This allows you to prioritize your most frequently used applications. Additionally, hide any unused apps to declutter your Sorento's display, making it cleaner and more focused. You can also adjust wallpaper and appearance settings, ensuring your CarPlay interface perfectly matches your preferences and style. Encountering an issue with CarPlay can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. If CarPlay isn't connecting, try restarting both your iPhone and your Sorento's infotainment system. Always ensure you are using an MFI-certified USB Lightning cable, as generic cables can cause connectivity issues. Finally, check for any available software updates for both your iPhone and your Kia Sorento, as updates often resolve bugs and improve performance for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.